Welcome. Just taking a moment to settle into a comfortable position, either seated or lying down. Allowing your hands to rest gently by your side or in your lap. And just softly close your eyes if that feels right for you. Or just soften your gaze. Let's begin by arriving. Noticing the contact your body makes with the surface beneath you. Feeling the weight of your body fully supported. That heavy pull of gravity. There's nowhere else to be. There's nothing else to do. This time is just for you. Taking a slow, gentle breath in and a soft breath out. Allowing yourself to begin to arrive in this moment. Just breathing in and breathing out. Settling in to this time that's just for you. Just bringing your attention to your natural breathing. Don't change it, just notice it. Breathing in and breathing out. Just letting your awareness rest on the gentle rhythm of your breath. Noticing the air moving in through your nose or your mouth. Noticing the rise and fall of your chest. Or even the gentle expansion of your belly. Each breath is an anchor, a reminder that you are here. If your mind wanders, that's completely natural. So when you notice it, just simply guide your attention back to your breath, again and again with kindness and without judgment. Just breathing in and out at your natural breathing rhythm. And as your awareness increases, we'll take a moment to deepen the breath slightly. Breathing in slowly through the nose, feeling the breath fill your body, and breathing out gently through the mouth, letting go of any tension or tightness with the out-breath. Breathing in and breathing out, allowing all that tension to go. Just feel yourself relaxing even more on the floor or in your chair. Just inhaling a long, slow breath in And exhaling, a gentle release, allowing yourself to get heavier and heavier. Just allowing your breath to return to its natural rhythm. Don't force it, just let it relax. Resting in this moment. Breathing. Present. Breathing in and a soft breath out at your pace. And as you sit in this stillness, you might begin to notice subtle shifts. A sense of calm, a sense of space within, simply from paying attention to your breath. Breathing, present, allowing that awareness to grow and grow. And if your mind has wandered, just bring it gently back to your breath, without judgment and with kindness. You don't have to do anything. There's no goal here, just being with the breath, one moment at a time. Breathing in calmness, breathing out connection. Allowing that space to deepen and grow within. That space of awareness. That space that reminds you that you are here. Breathing, you're present. Resting in this moment. Gently start to return, feeling the support beneath you again. Noticing any sounds around you. Begin to bring a gentle movement to your fingers and toes. Perhaps give them a little wiggle. Or maybe even do a nice big stretch. And when you're ready, just take one more deep breath in and a soft breath out. And just slowly open your eyes, bringing your awareness back to the room. Just taking a moment to notice how you feel. Carrying this sense of calm and connection with you into the rest of your day. And thank you for taking this time for yourself and joining me with our breath.